Hello everyone, I am Izel M. Solar from BE Ed 3A, and our topic for today is all about the ICT integration, which is the IBAKADA. So first, what is IBAKADA? IBAKADA is a digital term often associated with online or electronic learning resources and tools, particularly in the context of education. So it originates from the Filipino word bakada, which typically refers to a bundle or group implying a collection of materials or tools. When paired with E or electronic, it represents a modern, technology-driven approach to delivering educational resources. So, ano nga po ba ulit ang IBAKADA? So, ang IBAKADA po ay tumutukoy sa koleksyon ng mga digital na kagamitan, plataporma at materials na ginagamit upang suportahan ang pag-aaral at pagtuturo gamit ang teknolohiya. So, ano nga ba ang purpose ng IBAKADA? So, it allows students or inaallows ang mga students and teachers to access learning resources from anywhere or in any time.
So, I'm Jason De Los Santos. So, IBAKADA is a digital concept that signifies group or collection of online tools, resources, or platforms designed to support education in a modern technology-enhanced environment. The term is rooted in the Filipino word barkada, which traditionally refers to a group of friends or a close-knit circle. In the context, barkada suggests a bundle or collection emphasizing a sense of collaboration and unity. When combined with the preferred E, meaning electronic or digital, the term takes or a new dimension, symbolizing the integration of technology into the learning experience. So, IBAKADA reflects the shift towards online hybrid education, where learners and educators leverage digital tools such as eBooks learning management system, virtual classroom, and other multimedia resources.